Hello, viewers. Welcome to the YouTube channel Roshni with Hina. It's most important for the start of work on Fiverr platform. Today, I will discuss the topic Fiverr's policies. Introduction to Fiverr. Fiverr is an online marketplace connecting freelancer with clients. The platform offers a wide range of services from graphic design to writing to programming, etc. Fiverr takes a commission from each transaction between the freelancer and client and offers dispute resolution services. User conduct and protection. Fiverr prohibits spam, fraud, and harassment. Users must comply with all legal obligations, respect intellectual property, and not violate Fiverr's terms of services. Communication with other users. Fiverr allows communication between users via the messaging system. Be respectful, professional, and do not share personal information. Orders, payments, and refunds. Orders are automatically marked as complete after 3 days if no action is taken. Payments are released to the seller 14 days after the order is marked as complete. Refunds can be requested within 14 days of order completion if the seller did not meet the requirements of the project. Fiverr fees and charges. Fiverr charges a services fee of 20% on each transaction, depending on the type of service purchased. Additional fees may apply for certain payment methods or currency conversion. Please refer to our pricing page for more details. User privacy and data protection. Fiverr takes user privacy and data protection seriously. The platform is secured with SSL encryption and monitored 24 hours to prevent fraud and unauthorized access. Intellectual property claims. Fiverr takes intellectual property claims seriously and has policies to protect the rights of intellectual property owners. If you believe your intellectual property rights have been violated, submit a complaint through our operating system. Thank you for choosing Fiverr. We appreciate your commitment to our community guidelines and policies. Thank you for choosing Roshni with Hina channel. Kindly share, like, and subscribe.